Hey gearheads! Welcome back to Autoverse Authority, your ultimate pit stop for the best automotive products out there. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best dashboard cleaner that's turning heads and boosting performance. After hours of research and testing, I've handpicked the top choices for every kind of buyer, whether you're chasing value, performance, or a unique feature. Links to these products with the latest deals are waiting for you in the description below. Smash the like button, drop a comment, and hit subscribe to fuel your passion for all things auto. Let's rev it up and get started. In our list, the number 1 product name is nextzett Premium Dashboard Cleaner. This interior cleaner from nextzett is made to freshen and care for vehicle cabins with a simple liquid formula. The bottle holds 16.9 fluid ounces and comes in black packaging. It is designed to handle multiple surfaces inside cars, such as clear plastic, colored trim, coated leather, and imitation leather. The liquid works gently on areas like steering wheels, center consoles, rubber mats, and audio screens. This product helps remove small particles like dust while keeping the original look of the surface. It does not leave any shine or slick layer after wiping, which helps reduce glare and gives a factory-style finish. The surface stays clean for longer periods because dust does not settle easily after use. The cleaner also works well on touch-friendly areas such as dashboards and media controls without causing smudges or marks. Another benefit is its ability to protect materials from sunlight. The added sun-blocking ingredients help slow down fading or cracking caused by daily light exposure. Leather and soft-touch trim can also stay in better condition with regular application. Unlike some other products, this liquid does not feel oily and is safe for everyday use on finished interior materials. The scent left behind is mild and citrus-based, giving the space a fresh smell without being overpowering. It does not include silicone and is water-based, making it safer for use on delicate surfaces. People looking to avoid harsh chemicals or strong perfumes may find this cleaner to be a good option. nextzett created this product in Germany and made it biodegradable, supporting a more eco-conscious approach to car maintenance. It is intended for regular upkeep rather than deep cleaning and can be paired with stronger products from the same brand for more demanding tasks. In our list, the number 2 product name is ToysButty Car Dashboard Cleaner. Magic Spruce Car Detailing Gel is designed to clean various surfaces with ease. This cleaning putty works well on dashboards, air vents, and cup holders inside vehicles. It also handles keyboards, remote controls, and small electronic devices around the home or office. The gel has a smooth texture that helps lift fine particles from tight areas where cloths or brushes cannot reach. This product is purple in color and leaves a fresh scent with a mild lavender tone after use. It offers a quick way to tidy up without needing water, towels, or sprays. It collects small dirt, crumbs, and even hair from small crevices without spreading or smearing. The gel feels soft in hand, but does not leave stickiness after use, which makes it easy to handle while cleaning delicate areas. Packaged in a 120 milliliter container, it stays effective over multiple uses if stored properly. The jar has an air-sealed lid that helps maintain the texture and quality of the gel. Since the material is biodegradable, it supports a more environmentally friendly way to keep things tidy. Although it is safe for many surfaces, it should not be used on carpets or screens. Users can take it on the go for travel or car trips since the container is compact. This non-toxic formula helps make regular cleanups less messy and more enjoyable. It is especially useful for people who want to avoid bulky tools or wet wipes. When stored in a cool place away from heat, the gel remains in usable condition for a longer period. This product works as a helpful tool for those looking to keep their car and devices neat with minimal effort and no extra equipment. In our list, the number 3 product name is Chemical Guys Dashboard Cleaner. Chemical Guys Inner Clean Interior Cleaner brings a refreshed look and feel to your car cabin. This liquid detailing product is made to remove dirt, dust, and oil from dashboards, navigation panels, and door trims. Its smooth texture helps wipe away surface grime without causing smears or sticky marks. This non-greasy formula leaves behind a clean surface while keeping the factory appearance intact. The scent of pineapple adds a light tropical fragrance that makes the air inside your vehicle more pleasant. It can be used on various interior surfaces like steering wheels, shift knobs, touch screens, and console panels. Each application reduces buildup and helps preserve a polished, dust-free condition that stays longer than typical sprays or wipes. The liquid comes in a 16 fluid ounce container and works well for people who want fast touch-ups between deeper cleaning routines. It offers a reliable option for daily drivers who want to maintain a professional look without needing large tools or advanced techniques. This cleaner spreads evenly and dries without leaving behind any visible residue. Suitable for multiple vehicle types, this item supports cleanliness for both personal cars and recreational models. It is safe for use on interiors found in well-known automobile brands across the market. Its water-based structure makes it lighter to apply during routine maintenance and easier to carry during road trips or weekend activities. Ideal for preserving the natural appearance of panels and trims, this product gives car owners a convenient method to handle dust or surface grime. The added aroma creates a pleasant atmosphere while restoring a clean look. Keep it in the glove compartment or detailing kit for regular use. This detailing cleaner brings comfort, clarity, and confidence back into any vehicle interior. In our list, the number 4 product name is Chemical Guy's Total Interior Cleaner. Chemical Guy's Total Interior Cleaner and Protectant is made for cleaning car interiors with ease. This product comes in a liquid form and carries a fresh scent. It is designed for use on various surfaces such as leather, plastic, rubber, glass, stainless steel, and metal. Without using multiple items, this cleaner works across many materials inside your vehicle. Whether the surface is leather, vinyl, cloth, wood, or even glass, this cleaner can handle it. It is a useful option for those who want to maintain a clean interior without spending too much time or money. It fits cars, trucks, recreational vehicles, and sport utility vehicles. The cleaner is simple to use. You only need to spray it and wipe it off. The formula dries quickly and leaves no residue. It does not make the surface greasy or glossy. Instead, it brings back the natural look of the material. You can safely apply it on touchscreens and navigation systems. It also includes ingredients that protect against strong sunlight. This helps keep plastic and similar surfaces from cracking or fading. Many car owners trust this brand for its quality and support. Chemical Guys is well known in the car care industry. People from all over the world choose their products. Whether you are new to car detailing or already experienced, this product may offer good results. The bottle holds 16 ounces of solution, which is enough for multiple uses. Its spray design makes it convenient for fast and even application. Always check a small area first before full use. Keep your vehicle looking new with one product that does the job across many surfaces. In our list, the number 5 product name is Meguiar's Ultimate Interior Detailer. Meguiar's G16216 Ultimate Interior Detailer comes in a spray form and is made for easy use across all interior surfaces of a vehicle. This product is made to clean areas like dashboards, door panels, center consoles, steering wheels, and navigation screens. It offers a fresh look without leaving any greasy or sticky layer behind. The spray helps keep the interior smooth with a finish that feels clean and dry. It has built-in protection that helps block sunlight and protects from damage like cracking or fading. Interior areas of vehicles can suffer from long exposure to sunlight, but this formula works to prevent that. Even if used on a daily basis, the product is made to be safe for surfaces. It helps keep the condition of car interiors close to their original state. It is helpful for people who want a well-maintained interior without needing multiple cleaners. The finish lasts longer than many other products, keeping your car fresh for weeks. One spray is enough to cover a wide area, making the bottle last for many uses. There is no scent added to the product, which makes it suitable for those who prefer an odorless option. Meguiar's is known for producing high-quality vehicle care products, and this item keeps that standard. Even those who are not experienced in car detailing will find it easy to use. The spray bottle contains 15.2 ounces of solution. Just spray and wipe with a clean cloth to complete the cleaning process. This product supports long-lasting care and is created for daily interior use. It gives the user a chance to refresh their vehicle's surfaces and keep them clean in a simple and fast way. Thanks for watching our full videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and check link the description below. Goodbye and take care. See you in the new video.